thank you for contacting Wave Support. From your request, it sounds like your patient currently is comfortable wearing a 10-0 diameter wave contact lens. Since this lens is very similar in design, but they're noticing more discomfort, it's most likely an edge awareness issue or a landing area issue. If we look at your design, I notice you went to a 10.10. It may just be as simple as a little more awareness with the slight diameter change. But if we look at this landing area, the design overall looks good. Your patient may be getting some awareness from here. So there's a couple ways to address that. One simple way would be to click over here on this little S factor, and this will add some asphericity to the design. And if you do that, you will kind of notice that when Wave redesigns the lens here, I'll hit Tools. You'll notice you'll get a lens that aligns very nicely with the surface of that cornea. We'll give it a moment to finish what it's doing here. And there we go. I'll just kind of walk around. You'll see I've got a nicely aligned lens, maybe a little snug here in the periphery. I'd probably bring that up just a little bit, just to kind of get a little bit more tear exchange. But you will see that the back surface view, this lower left, looks very, very similar to the cornea, so you probably have a very nicely aligned lens here. Now, just another thought. It sounds like your patient's been wearing the same lens designed for many, many years, and it may very well be that the lens is a little bit even designed originally an axial tear layer. Many early Wave designers use axial as their preferred design choice. The main difference is axial will give you a slightly steeper fit than a tangential. Axial tends to look at the central topographical data a little more closely, whereas the tangential aligns a little more nicely with the peripheral data. But in many early designs, a lot of the docs lean toward more the axial approach. So to change that, you would click on this middle part, right-click it. You'll get the option of axial or tangential. In this case, we can go to axial. And if we just go back to a basic design in the axial and let Wave redesign, you'll notice that when this design is finished, it's about a 1/4 to a 1/2 diopter steeper in general design. So that should hopefully adjust your lens area, landing areas to be a little more comfortable. Hope it's helpful. I wish you well, and thank you for contacting Wave Support.